How to hide likes you have made on Instagram Reels and post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide likes that you have made on Instagram Reels and post. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as likes. And after that, on the next page, you'll see all the posts and reels that you have liked. So here, to hide or unlike a post, you can just go through the reel and there you can just tap on the heart icon again to remove your like. So here, to tell you upfrontly, Instagram does not allow bulk hiding of likes. So you must unlike post individually to hide your activity from others. And with that, you can even make your account private. So to do that, you can simply go to the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on the account privacy. And now here you can simply toggle on this option that says private account. And this ensures only approved followers can see your activity, including likes. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.